Alright, so here's a quick little video. This is if you just bought a boat, you're not sure how old the gas is, or this is your boat, you haven't used it in a long time. We're gonna take the gas out, but the gas is still pretty good for things like your lawnmower, your weed eater, whatnot. So as you can see, this boat has been neglected for quite a while. I think the gas has been sitting for, it's non-ethanol fuel, Rec 90. It was treated with stable, and it's about 1.5 years old. Can I run it? Maybe, but I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. So I'm keeping the filter, right? Filter's still running. It's kind of filtering the fuel, right? I put the hose, I disconnected it at the engine. I put the hose down through the plug, right? I primed it, got it going, and now all I'm doing is filling up my tanks. So as you can see, I'm just filling up my red tanks with the fuel that's in the boat. I already filled 2 of these 6-gallon tanks, so this will be good for the lawnmowers and whatnot. It's pre-mixed, but it'll eat it right up. So you can see, just run it out the bottom. And this hose here, you can make it as long as you want. You can run it a couple feet away from the boat, as long as the hose remains underneath the fuel tank, right? The hose has to stay underneath the fuel tank, right? Underneath the boat, so it'll run siphon effect. And the bulb will help you get it out of the boat instead of having to open up the inspection hatch, go through the instead of having to go through here and take out the float valve and siphon it out. This is the easiest way to do it. Use the bulb, prime the fuel out the thing, have the hose underneath the fuel tank, and it'll just start pouring out as you see there. And the best part about this is that your fuel is being filtered through the 10 micron filter.